Hello everyone, welcome to part 68 of Laravel 11 series, in which we're getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue working on the product filter, and in this part we are going to display the category filters. Okay, so see, up till now we have shown the sizes filter, brand, prices, colors, sleeve, fabric, all dynamic filters are here, and now this is only the pending thing, that is the category filters, in which we will just show the links. We will show the main categories, subcategories, and subcategories. Okay, so right now these are static, and but we are going to make it dynamic. We will add the for each loop for all these categories. Okay, so let's start. So these are the instructions that you can find under video. Okay, so I'm going to open here Sublime. Okay, the product is already there. So first thing is that we want to update this is part we will work on the category filter, showing all category and subcategory links to display their products on the listing page. We will include the category model and call the categories function in the filters blade file. So I'm going to open the filters blade file. Okay, so I'm going to open the filters blade file. Okay, so after this I'm going to add going to include these classes, these models I'm required to add at the top. Okay, so I will just add these models at the top. Here you can see that we have called that get categories function that we have created earlier. The same function we have used for displaying the categories and subcategories at the top menu. Okay, so so this one we are going to call, and after that we will use the for each loop to display these categories. Okay, so this is the complete div that we want to replace, and we are going to replace it here. Okay, so it's starting from this one. Okay, so I'm going to replace this complete div. Okay, fine, and yeah, I want to align this one. Okay, actually these are not that much aligned. All divs must be aligned here so that it will not create any kind of confusion. Actually these divs must be inside. I think that's okay. Now it's fine, and okay, so here you can see this is the category uh, for each loops, and this one is the for the main category. After that we have shown the main category names, and inside that we are showing the subcategories, and inside that we are showing the subcategories. Let's see if now it is dynamic. Let's refresh, and now you can see the categories are coming dynamically. It's the same categories that are coming at the top, like clothing, electronics, and appliances. These are the main categories, and under the clothing there are two categories we have added so far, that are men and women, and here also it is showing men and women. And under men we have the two categories like t-shirts and shirts. Under women we have the top. Here we are going to open this one, and here you can see that under men we are having the t-shirts as well as the shirts, and under women we are having the tops. Okay, so we able to display these categories at the left sidebar. Okay, so so these are the categories that we are displaying dynamically, and if we will click any of the category, like if I will going to click on clothing, but we can't click on clothing, like same thing here. Here we can click on clothing, but here we have not added any link. Okay, let's add the link for the clothing as well. Here like we have this URL. Here also we can open this one, and instead of subcategory we are going to put here the category like this, so that we can open its link as well. Okay, so I'm going to click on clothing. Here you can see the clothing is coming. Okay, and if we are going to click it like this, it will close and open. Okay, so if I will click on men, and it will open the men categories. If we are going to click on women, then it is going to open the woman category that does not have any products. So same thing is happening at the top menu as well. Okay, if we can click on clothing, that the main category will come, and under that the men will come. Okay, under that the t-shirts will open. The same thing is happening here. Clothing, we can click on men. We can also open and close any of the categories and subcategories. Okay, So this one, now the complete all the filters we have done. Okay, and the products are coming according to these filters. So uh, our filters are done now, and you can get this source code up till these filters by joining as a member. If you are finding it tough, you can always join as a member and get the source code. And for joining as a member, please open the youtube.com stack developers. Okay, and after that you can simply join as a member to get the source code as well as the complete support. Okay, so that you will get this complete listing page along with these filters as well. Also you will get the filter.js file. Okay, so in the next part we will start working on the detail page. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.